When you search for the best moisture meters for wood, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, General Tools MMD7NP. Let's start with the General Tools Digital Moisture Meter MMD7NP. Priced at $49.99, this pinless and non-invasive meter caught my eye because of its reputation as a bestseller. If you want a tool that prevents moisture buildup and keeps your family safe, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The MMD7NP can quickly detect moisture levels up to 3-4 deep, which is crucial for identifying hidden dampness in walls and wood. It features a 3-color LED bar graph and a large backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read even in dim light. Plus, the auto-calibrating feature ensures accuracy every time. Now, some people mention that it can take a bit of time to get used to reading the results. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes an essential tool for any DIYer or homeowner. This is perfect for you if you're looking to do renovations or checks for moisture in your home. Skip this one if you want something more portable and less feature-heavy. But at just under $50, it's a solid investment for peace of mind. Now, if the price of the MMD7NP concerns you, the next one offers fantastic value without skimping on quality. Product number 2, Klein Tools ET140. Next up is the Klein Tools ET140, priced at $49.57. This pinless moisture meter stood out with its higher rating of 4.5 stars across 6,200 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable tool that detects moisture without damaging surfaces, this one's a great choice. This is crucial if you want to avoid costly repairs caused by water damage. The reverse contrast display is easy on the eyes, even in bright light, and the 9 LED bars help indicate the moisture range quickly. With over 4,000 units sold recently, many users have praised its accuracy and ease of use. Some users did find that it might not work well on certain wood types. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it on common materials like drywall and softwood, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or homeowner who needs to check moisture levels frequently. Skip this if you need a meter that works on a wider variety of wood types. For under $50, you're getting a tool that many swear by. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick readings and portability. Product number 3, Coxo Wood Moisture Meter. At just $12.79, the Coxo Wood Moisture Meter is a real steal. It's a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch with a 4.5-star rating from 2,100 reviews. If you want an affordable tool for quick moisture checks, this is definitely worth considering. This meter uses 2 high-precision pins to penetrate the surface and measure moisture content accurately. With 6 calibrated scales, it makes it easy to determine if your wood is too wet to use, preventing issues like cracking or warping. The backlit LCD screen also indicates different moisture levels with color codes, making it user-friendly. Honestly, at this price point, it's surprising how well it performs compared to more expensive models. However, some users reported that the pins can bend easily if not handled carefully. Here's the thing, if you handle it with care, it's a fantastic tool for home use and DIY projects. This is perfect for you if you're starting with woodworking or just need something simple and effective. Skip this if you prefer a pinless model. For under $15, it's hard to beat this value. Now, if the concern about durability bothered you, the next option has a solid reputation for sturdiness. Product number 4, Mecurate Digital Moisture Meter. Next is the Mecurate Digital Pin-Type Wood Moisture Meter, priced at $27.99. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 1,100 reviews, this one has been a favorite among woodworkers. If you want accurate readings that can help spot hidden damage, this tool's worth checking out. What really stands out is its 2 measurement modes, one for wood and one for building materials, and 8 calibrated scales tailored for different wood types. This flexibility is crucial for anyone who works with various materials. The three colored indicators also provide a quick visual cue for moisture levels, which is super handy when you're in a hurry. Plus, it even includes temperature detection. Now, some users mention that the display can be a bit hard to read in direct sunlight. But honestly, once you're used to it, the accuracy and features make it a reliable choice. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner or DIYer who needs precise measurements without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something more compact and portable. For just under $30, it's a great tool to add to your kit. Now, if you're looking for something with a larger display for ease of reading, the last product on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Top Test Digital Moisture Meter. Finally, we have the Top Test Digital Moisture Meter TS630 at $29.99. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 1,700 reviews, this one combines user-friendliness with features. If you want a straightforward moisture meter that's easy to read, this is definitely a contender. This is particularly useful when checking firewood or drywall. With 7 calibration scales, it covers a wide range of materials, letting you check moisture levels effortlessly. The auto shut-off feature after 10 minutes is also a nice touch for battery conservation. However, some users found the pins a bit short for deeper readings. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for surface checks, it performs exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-read meter for home projects. Skip this if you need deep penetration readings. For $30, it's a great balance of functionality and price. So there you have it, the top 5 moisture meters for wood. From the reliable General Tools MMD7NP to the budget-friendly Coxo, each meter has its strengths. The Klein Tools ET140 stands out for its accuracy, while the Mercurate is perfect for diverse materials. Finally, the Top Test offers great readability. Whichever you choose, investing in one of these tools can save you from costly repairs down the line. Happy measuring!